Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to send money from Pakistan to Indonesia. After signing up, scroll to the right and click on New, Open a Balance. Select Indonesia, tap on the flag, and then click Add. Enter the amount you want to send. You can pay using Apple Pay, bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or Swift. Then click Send. Add a recipient, search for Indonesia, and select Indonesian rupiah. Enter the bank details and choose the appropriate bank. For a local bank account, provide full name, bank name, account number. For an e-wallet, provide full name, e-wallet provider, e-wallet number. Once all details are entered, you'll be able to send the money securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.